Welcome to Flo-Tek Pipes and Irrigation, Clayville, South Africa. Established in 2007 and set across more than 4 hectares, this facility has grown into one of Sub-Saharan Africa's most capable pipe manufacturing plants, with a production capacity of over 12,000 tons per year. HDPE is a widely used piping material, known for its strength, flexibility, and resistance to corrosion. Our pipes support agriculture, mining, industry, and infrastructure, moving water efficiently across every sector. Perforated HDPE pipes are designed for drainage, helping manage water flow through soil and ground systems. Flo-Tek fabrication produces HDPE and PVC bends and fittings that support complete pipeline systems. These components enable directional changes, secure connections, and adaptability to varying layouts and terrain conditions.
CPVC piping is used in plumbing systems for both hot and cold water applications. It offers durability, corrosion resistance, and reliable long-term performance in residential and commercial environments. At Flo-Tek, every product is engineered with purpose, supporting industries, infrastructure, and communities across Africa. Flo-Tek. Flow better with us.